Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Windows user who's ever struggled with video playback issues, downloading online videos, or compressing huge files, then you're going to love today's review. We're checking out HD Video Converter Factory Pro, an all-in-one video tool designed to solve your daily media problems with ease. Let's dive in. HD Video Converter Factory Pro is a powerful multimedia utility built for Windows. It's packed with features that make handling video and audio files fast, simple, and surprisingly efficient. Whether you're converting file formats, downloading from online sites, recording your screen, or shrinking file sizes, this tool can do it all in just a few clicks. One of the biggest problems we all face is incompatible video formats. HD Video Converter Factory Pro supports over 500 formats and devices, including MP4, MKV, MOV, AVI, iPhone, Android, and more. Just drag, drop, and convert, super easy. Ever tried downloading a video and your browser extension just didn't work? With this tool, you can download from YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook, and 1,000 plus other sites, even in HD and 4K. Need to record tutorials, online meetings, or gameplay? The built-in screen recorder lets you capture both video and audio with adjustable resolution and frame rates. Got a large file that's too big to share or upload? The Smart Compression feature reduces video size without noticeable quality loss. Perfect for emailing or storing more videos on your drive. Let me show you how simple it is to convert a video. Just add the file, choose your format, and click Run. And boom, done. Downloading online videos works the same way. Paste the URL, analyze, choose the quality, and hit download. It's fast and reliable. Screen recording is also just a click away. Choose your area, audio source, and hit record. I've tested a lot of media tools before, but what stands out with HD Video Converter Factory Pro is the balance of power and simplicity. You don't need to be a tech expert to use it, but it still delivers professional results. Whether you're a content creator, student, teacher, or just someone who deals with videos a lot, this tool saves time, space, and headaches. So, is HD Video Converter Factory Pro worth trying? Absolutely. You can download it right now from the official website. Link in the description below. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more awesome reviews and tech tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.